10 key benefits of sleep that you may not know. Number 1, focus. Good sleep sharpens attention, improves memory, and enhances decision making. A rested brain processes information faster and with clarity. Number 2, heart. Quality sleep. When you sleep well at night, it lowers your blood pressure. It reduces inflammation and protects against heart disease and stroke. Number 3 is hormones. Sleep balances key hormones like cortisol, melatonin, insulin, leptin, and ghrelin, keeping your appetite, stress, and metabolism in check. Number 4, metabolism itself. Deep sleep improves insulin sensitivity and fat burning while reducing craving and late night hunger. You heard me right, friends. You can lose weight if you sleep properly at night. Number 5, immunity. Now, sleep strengthens immune defenses system, and it protects you from becoming ill often. Number 6 is mood. Adequate sleep stabilizes emotions, reduces anxiety and irritability, and improves overall emotional resilience. Number 7, energy. Sleep restores physical and mental and also emotional energy, improving your endurance, motivation, and daily performance. Number 8, repair. During deep sleep, the body repairs and cells, muscles, tissues, and DNAs all get repaired. It gets supporting, healing, and recovering while you give your body a good night's sleep. Number 9, peace. Proper sleep calms the nervous system. It reduces mental noise and bring inner peace and clarity into your life. And number 10, longevity. Consistent quality sleep lowers the risk of chronic diseases in your life, slows aging. It is anti-aging. The more you sleep, the better your chance you give your life for a healthier and a happier life. Good sleep improves your focus, protects your heart, balances your hormones, boosts your metabolism, strengthens your immunity, stabilizes your mood, restores your energy, repair your cells and DNA, calms your mind, and bring peace, and increases your lifetime with health, wealth, and wisdom. So friends, do not underestimate the power of sleep. Sleep is amazing. It's a God gift. Do not waste over your reels or a scroll. This is Manjeet with Healthcare Heroes, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.